let's go to the next one. Next one, locks. You can add key, you can set in this. Okay, child lock. Here again we got the settings we was talk about. Window lock, walk away door lock, like automatically lock doors and trunks when leaving with your phone or key fob. Yes, okay, I got the phone in my pocket, and if I walk away from the car, then doors will lock automatically. You can say only okay, yeah, that's new for me. Driver door on unlock mode, you can have activated. That means most of the times you leave alone, you drive alone the car, most of the times we'll just open for you the driver door. That's actually better to activate for me. The other doors will be not opened. I like it better. Unlock on park. Okay, if you put the car to park with the button, then it will unlock the doors. Car left open notification. Okay, if you leave the doors and windows open, a mobile notification will be sent after 10 minutes in the the trunk or any door is left open or the vehicle is left unlocked unexpectedly. If the vehicle is locked, a notification will be sent if any window is open shortly after leaving the vehicle. To avoid leaving windows partially open, pull the window switch all the way up. Exclude home. Notification will be not sent when the vehicle is at home. Okay, exclude home. Yes, really good. Lock confirmation sound, I like. It will use the horn. And car windows, close windows unlock, that I have also activated. It will close the windows automatically when I walk away the car. Yes.